And the institution that is given an authority to handle this for us, not for itself, for us, the citizens, guided by the principles and the laws. And if we raise the issues, that there are issues that need to be attended to, they have an authority to say, sorry, we give you just a few minutes. And then we close. I don't know what type of a democracy that one is on the people whom are supposed to be given this democracy. And they are pushed as if we are prisoners. Somebody forcing you to get into the cell before they lock. The complaints that they've been put forward are too serious. Very, very serious. This is not, or they are not like small little points. They are very, very serious. Before we could come to voting, many trucks were caught, driven by wrong people, instead of those who participate in making it sure that everything is done properly, fairly. And we, for an example, haven't heard the end of those. Because some of the trucks were driven by people who were not supposed to be closer to them. There is a tendency in this country just to ignore serious matters. There are people who get arrested even if they've done nothing. But there are people who commit serious crimes. Nothing happened to them. Actually, the judges would say there's nothing wrong with these. And you can't say we have a democracy that we fought for in this country. We are saying we have to address the problems that we have, that have developed in the process of complete attempt. We have a bill for the acts to demand that. It is us, citizens. Institutions can't then say we can't listen to you and let, because that is provoking people in reality. Two, institutions suppose to deal with the pride of it. People stand up and do somebody, these people, they must be shot, they must be arrested. It is a serious matter. In fact, there's a lot that is out. My colleagues here that nobody must force us to say now this is what are as a results. Well, the results are not correct. Can you please hold this? I think the institutions must satisfy us that they did look into the issues. It's the first time ever since freedom we had people arrested doing wrong things. First time. I'm sure we all know that some people got arrested. You don't know? You are not journalists then. There's something else. Journalists must know everything, don't you know? Huh? Yes. We are going to need the time. Nobody must declare tomorrow. No. If that happens, people will be provoking us because we know what we are talking about. We are not guessing. We know. And why should they rush to count? And I'm hoping whoever is responsible is hearing what we are saying. Don't start trouble when there is no trouble. Give the political parties, which I think they are a majority, the chance to present their cases, their information, their everything. Don't rush us. Part of the reason we've come to a point that there should be a bigger way of dealing with the matter. These who have been in charge can't investigate themselves. That's why we say there must be an open, clear, investigation done by the, what did you say?
Commission of Inquiry.
Commission of Inquiry. It is us. Our parties are not having what they voted for. For an example, there's something they call, I don't know what it is called. Some say it's the machines crashed. There are no machines that crashed. The machines were being done things as wrong. We know, we are going to present that. We are going to present that. Nobody must rush us. And if they were doing anything for us, for our country, then they must listen to us. No rush. No rush. If this is the first time since our freedom we have problems. Problems have emerged, and you must also agree that the feeling of the people of this country, maybe as journalists, I don't know what type of people, we have not noticed. It's the first time that there's a party in 5 months bigger than anybody else. It tells you how people are angry in this country. I know you guys, you write very nice, perhaps for your bosses or whatever, I don't know. The truth must be the truth. The truth must be the truth. Because when people, because they've got no other way, if they decide to stand up and do whatever, they are going to be arrested. Let us deal with this now properly. We are complaining. Here are parties, the majority of the parties. Many things have gone wrong. Let us allow us to deal with the institution until we are happy. There is no rush. There's nobody who's going to die if we did not announce the results tomorrow. What are we rushing?
7 days.
We've been tolerant for a long time when things happen. Even when people commit crimes, they are not arrested. Those who commit no crime are arrested. We've not made noise. But here, this is the way, peacefully, to put this country at the right place. Nobody is going to announce tomorrow. Unless they were not working with us. You can't have dictators who are going to tell you, when we tell them there are problems, they say no problem. When the problems are there, when they know them. We have got more information to give. Why do you rush to close the gap so that you move? We're not children. No. As coach is song sweet. But munyunga nang sweet ngosiam mnand. No. I just thought I should make that point, that we should be clear, all of us. Let us all work together. We are very keen. We need fair, what is another word we prefer? Free and credible. And transparent. Kanyangale. This time around, it is very serious. It is very, very serious. There are numbers that have been pushed from one direction to the other. We know it. And that must come out. There are many things. There are things, this thing of being rushed, bring your report now, because by this time we are closing. But who are you working for? They're supposed to be employed by us. I'm saying this, people, because this is not for us to trouble us as South Africans. We are here for peace, to everything nicely. That's why, because we knew we needed 2/3 majority. Don't try to interfere with that by doing all the tricks in public.
Agreed.
Are we with us? No.
No.
We are with them. Now I'm saying those whom we are asking to receive our complaints must be tolerant. Take our complaints and move forward. Because if that does not happen, it means you must go to court. And then even say no announcement. We say so in court and produce evidence why we say so. I don't think we need to reach there. Because we'll do it. We are not playing around. We are changing our country so that our people get out of poverty. And to other people it may mean nothing, to us it means a lot. We must not cause trouble here. We are saying we want, and I think the presentation that has been done by my friend here, very clear, very clear. We have information to give, to show discrepancies and I'm saying this because I want people who work with us understand us and hear us. We are doing it comradely. Comradely. But I would like to thank you. In fact, you should be thanking that political parties peacefully come here to make the same point, all of them. Now, if we don't listen to them, maybe if you said, no, mkhonto wesizwe kuphela lo, osho njalo, we will still be saying we are wrong because we have got information. Now, almost all the parties are. Now, who are you going to be telling what is yours, what is not yours, when we are not happy with your performance? When we are telling you the weaknesses in your performance, what has gone wrong, so that you can reach an agreement, what then do we do? Because you can't trick us when we know you have, and we also agree. Centuries. And therefore, we are supporting that let us be given a chance to present our complaints. which we have, which are serious. Some people might be bruised when these facts are there. We can't then allow institutions to poo-poo these things as if nothing has happened. That is the point we are making very strongly, and we are agreed. And I think doing it in peace, comradely. What is another one? Comradely? Friendly. Partnershiply. In harmony. It is serious, because these are serious people who have done serious things, and we cannot allow them. We cannot. This time around, it must be fair and what, Nes? Free. Transparent. Credible. Nice. And fair. And fair. I thought I should just make those points because the matter is not as simple. It's very serious. It's about a country, South Africa. It's about a country we call democracy. In democracy, you can't suffocate people because you have an authority and say, no, we are delayed, but we have got facts. I hope we've been heard, we the parties that are saying we need to present our misgivings to those who have been in charge. I don't want to be telling you about it. I know some people are asking, what is it that has happened? We must give those people, we must be gentle. Give them first before you guys. Once they have it, I'm sure you will know. You will know what we are talking about. Because it is a serious matter. You know, one of the reasons, as I was talking to people throughout this country, I said many things have got to be changed, including the manner in which elections are done. Why should they, at some point when you vote, it's not secret, but when people count, it's secret. Why? Yes. Why? And part of the reason, all of us, I can tell you, we are going to be on the same side in changing this country. So that we have got a country for our children that is truthful, smooth, is moving very well. I don't think we have time to be joking. It's a serious matter. The very fact that up to now we have not implemented what we will implement when we're fighting for freedom, that tells you how big the problem is. We want to correct it so that everybody is happy in this happy country. And we cannot therefore allow people to say we're not going to listen to you. But they caused, or they came as this institution because they were working for us, making us to campaign, to vote. It's not their business, it's our business. Thank you very much.